there is an important task I saw on Arichain that you have to connect your Arichain wallet, that is this your Ari wallet, to the Discord. That if you do not connect it, you might end up not getting your coins. I saw that update, and when I looked through it and did some research on it, I decided to make this video so that I can show you what you need to do and to make some clarifications also. I also saw that I saw a post that if you don't join the Arichain Discord channel in the next 48 hours, which was about as at 2 days ago, I think, that if you don't join it, you will not be able to join again because they'll be closing. Well, it's more than 48 hours already, and it's still open because it's today. I just joined. Personally, I just joined the Discord today. So I don't know how true that information is, but if you've not joined, I'm going to advise go and join now. And for you to join, it is easy. You could simply go to Arichain's official X account. Look for them on X. The link is on their profile. Or for the alternatives, you could come into my Telegram channel here. You don't need to come to Telegram here and come and start searching for Tony Tech. No, 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 no. If you're watching from YouTube, I'll drop the link in the description box of the video. And the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of scammers are out there trying to scam you. If you come to this search bar and you search for Tunio Tech right now, you're going to see my original channel, which was about 7.7k, was banned. Yeah. So we're still working on trying to recover it. I don't know why they got it banned. Now, if you come here, you can see this is another group. This is Tunio Tech, and this is not from me. You can see, look at what this person is posting. And you see, he has 48 subscribers. So if you're seeing this right now, you can go and report this channel so that Telegram can take it down. But this is not for me. And a lot of people, they also create some orders that we've successfully taken down. So don't come and search for Tony's Tech on Telegram. Get the link from me. I'll drop it in the description box of this video that you're watching on YouTube. This my YouTube channel currently has about 14,000 subscribers, so you know it's not from a scammer. So this is the Discord link here where I dropped it today. Okay, this is the Discord channel link. This is it here. Now, this is it. I'm going to this post, I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video. So immediately you tap it and you come into this my Telegram channel. This is the first thing that it is going to take you to, and then you can tap on it to now successfully join their Discord channel. If you don't know how to join, I already made a full tutorial video on that. I'll drop the link to that video in the description box, and I'll also pin it at the top of this video you're currently watching. If you look at the top, so this is their Discord. Now, this is the update I saw, that you have to connect your Arichain to the Discord by, first of all, let's say I'm just on my Discord. This is my Discord. These are other airdrops that I am currently in. You come over to this Discord, sorry, this Arichain here. Then once you come over to the Arichain, you see a lot of, look at all of these menus here. What you want to do next is to go over to this Ari chart. Come over to this Ari chart. Once you come over into this Ari chart, this is how it looks like. The next thing you want to do is to tap at the top of your screen here. Look at, I tap on that little arrow. Once you tap it, you're going to see all of these apps. What you want to do is to click on this Ari chain. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it should now take you to this page where you can now tap on this add app. Once you tap on that add app, you get these options here where you see this one, add to my apps or add to server. You tap on add to my apps, and then you go ahead and click on authorize, and that is basically that. You can see success. Arichain has been authorized and added to your apps, blah blah blah. You can either click to open it here right now, or you can close it. So this was the task I saw. Now, what I have to say about this is not actually necessary. It is not actually necessary, and this is why. The way we'll do the official linking, because the only thing I will advise you to do right now is make sure that your name, look at this, my name here, this is Antonio Mario. Now my channel name is Tonio Tech. So make sure that this is your name, Tonio Tech. Make sure it corresponds with your X and your Ari chain also. So if I head over to my X right now, you can see that on my X, my username is the same thing with what is on my Discord. Let's head over to my X here. You can see my username is the same, Tonio Tech. And in case you don't know, follow me on X. When I search for this Tonio Tech, this profile currently, follow me here. I do drop a lot of updates here, even before I make videos on them. You should see. Even when my Telegram got banned, I made an update on it, and this is the latest update for MetaMask and the likes that I dropped here. So make sure to follow me. Now, what I'm going to advise you to do is to make sure that your username on X corresponds with the username on Discord. So by the time, I think they are going to release that update on the 7th of November, which is today is 1st of November. So from the 7th of November, which is 6 days from now, when they release that update, all of these things are going to be clarified. We will now see the official way to do the linking. But for this one, you can see I have done it. If you want to be on the safer side, you can go and do it. But I don't think it correlates or affects whether your coins or the likes. Like I said, I just saw this update online somewhere, and I decided to make a video on it and show you what and what you need to do. You understand? And as always, I always make videos like this, airdrop tutorials, Web3 education, Web3 security, and basically anything around Web3. And as you know, I'm the best when it comes to making tutorials. So you want to follow me here and make sure you're in my Telegram channel so that you get my updates. Make sure you're on my X. We're also on other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook,